Borouge suffers a 24% drop in Q2 revenue, and Saudi takes a 10% stake in a Brazilian mining giant. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Abu Dhabi-based petrochemicals from Borouge has registered a 24% decline in Q2 revenues to $1.4 billion. Borouge suffered from a 25% reduction in average selling price during Q2 on the back of market weakness. Q2 net income rose 16% from Q1 to $231 million, but it dropped 53% compared to Q2 2022. Adhere posted a 61% surge in net profit for the first half of this year to $626.1 million. The rise was led by higher broad-based revenues, growing assets, and sustained lower impairments. Adhere's revenue rose by 50% to $1.2 billion. Total assets jumped 28% to $49.6 billion, driven by 18% growth in customer financing. Adhere's investments hit $6.2 billion, up 21.5% year-on-year. Customer deposits climbed 30.5% to $40.9 billion. Saudi is making a push into the global mining industry as the Public Investment Fund and the Saudi Arabian mining company, or Maaden, take a 10% stake in Vale SA's base metals unit. Separately, investment firm Engine No. 1 will take a 3% stake. The total value of both agreements comes in at $3.4 billion. The stake in the Brazilian mining giant is Saudi's first major investment in mining since it set up a joint venture with Maaden called Manara in January. French luxury group Kering has acquired 30% of a Qatari investment company's share in Valentino for $1.9 billion. Kering has the option to acquire the entire share capital of the fashion house within the next 5 years. Qatar's Mayhoola will retain a majority shareholding of 70%. The transaction is part of a broader strategic partnership that could lead to Mayhoola becoming a shareholder in Kering. Kering's top brands include Balenciaga and Gucci. It reported a 2% rise in first-half revenue to $11.1 billion. Paris Saint-Germain forward Kylian Mbappe has reportedly rejected the deal from Saudi's Al Hilal amid speculations of the French star's transfer to Real Madrid. The 24-year-old Mbappe reportedly refused to meet with Al Hilal officials while they were in Paris to finalize the signing of another striker. PSG didn't confirm the rejection, but the club believes Mbappe will join Real Madrid as a free agent in 2024. That deal would be worth a record $252.3 million. Meta Platforms executives are heavily focused on boosting retention on their new Twitter rival Threads after the app lost more than half of its users in the weeks following its very buzzy launch. Mark Zuckerberg told employees that its user retention is better than executives had expected, but it's not perfect. Zuckerberg said he considered the drop-off normal and expected retention to grow as the company adds more features to the app, including a desktop version and search functionality. And Copernicus Climate Change Service has warned that July will likely be the hottest month ever recorded. They say the high temps are due to human-caused climate change, which has brought disasters like wildfires and searing temperatures. Their data suggests the first 3 weeks of July have seen the hottest average daily global temperatures in history. July 6th was the hottest day ever recorded, with the global daily average at 17 degrees Celsius. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.